How to transfer money from HSBC Bank. This method or process is very easy. It's just a few simple steps away and your transfer will be completed. So first is decide if you're going to be using the HSBC web version or via the application. If you're using the app, ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. Now open up your HSBC app and then log in using your email address and password. Now on your dashboard, you should be able to see accounts, pay and transfer, and then profile. Now for you to be able to transfer money, just simply choose pay and transfer. And there's also another option to that. There is a feature on HSBC Bank that is called Move Money. That feature is you can use that via pay and transfer, do it now from JunePay, foreign exchange, scan do it now QR, or show my do it now QR code. You could also send money internationally. But let's just separate that feature from the next video. Now going back to pay and transfer, choose between your accounts, pay a pay, or Qatar mobile payments, or even international payments. Once you've selected that, you will now then be redirected to the page that says transfer, where you need to input uh, the receiver's recipient information such as mobile number and the specific bank where the money will be landed to, the specific amount, transfer date, remarks, and message to pay. Once everything is filled out, hit on OK and continue. And then on the next page, you just need to review all the necessary details that you type in under the payee's information or the receiver's information. And once you hit on continue, you will receive a thank you message that the payment is completed. And that's basically it. That's how you transfer money from HSBC.